Welcome back to the series. In this episode, we're going to add a satisfying slash effect that plays each time our player attacks. This little detail makes combat feel way more impactful, and it's super easy to set up using Unity's built-in tools and a bit of animation logic. Let's dive in. Import a slash animation into Unity. Set Sprite mode to multiple and open the Sprite editor to slice Set Filter mode to point, no filter, if you're going for a pixel style. Select the sliced sprites. Create the animation. Name it slash effect. Do the same for the slash effect, top and side. Turn it into a prefab, remove it from the scene, we'll instantiate it via code. Now let's update your player attack script so that it instantiates the correct slash effect prefab depending on the direction the player is facing. Top, side, or down. But before that, make sure that the loop time is unchecked for the 3/ animation. Alright, let's set up the player attack script, the brain behind our directional melee system. This script will handle attack input, play the correct slash animation, spawn a visual effect based on direction, and block movement while attacking. Begin by creating public references to the 3 different slash effect prefabs, side, up, and down, and an attack spawn point where we'll spawn the slash effect during combat. We also store the last move direction and grab a reference to the animator. Inside Start, we cache the animator to trigger animations efficiently later. Next, inside Update, we check if the left mouse button is clicked. If the player isn't already attacking, we set is attacking to true and call our play/effect method. Here's where the magic happens. Based on the direction our player was facing, we spawn the right slash effect prefab, either above, below, or sideways. It makes the feedback feel sharp and responsive. This method allows our movement script to send us the last move direction, so the slash effect plays in the correct orientation. To make sure last move direction is updated correctly, call this in player movement script. Now, in the Inspector tab, assign slash effect side, slash effect up, and slash effect down to the script. Create a child transform in front of the player and assign it to attack spawn point, or you can drag the player game object instead. Boom! We see the slash appear, but wait, it doesn't go away. That's a problem. It stays forever in the scene and will eventually slow down our game. Let's solve this by automatically destroying the slash effect when its animation finishes. If you don't want to use animation events, you can also destroy the object using a timer. Now let's test again. We press space, the slash appears, and it disappears. Clean, efficient, and perfect for your combat system. But you can see that there is a little problem with the animator. Let go to the animator and add some transitions from the idle tree to the player attack animation. Now let's take our slash effects to the next level. Right now, the slash appears, but no matter which direction the player is facing, it always looks the same. That's not ideal, especially when we attack to the left. So what we're going to do is flip the slash effect horizontally when the player is facing left, using the Sprite Renderer Flip X property. Now, let's go ahead and test this in play mode. I'll press left and slash, boom, it's flipped. Press right and slash, it's normal again. feels way better and adds polish to your combat system. And that's how you flip any visual effect using Sprite Renderer in Unity. Small detail, huge impact on how your game feels. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're learning something new, and I'll see you in the next episode.